In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the taskbar not working on Windows 11. Having a functional taskbar is crucial for a seamless Windows experience, as it helps us access programs and settings with ease. So when the taskbar starts acting up, it can be a major hassle. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through a couple of straightforward solutions to get it back in working order. Let's start with restarting Windows Explorer. This method is often the quickest way to resolve taskbar issues. First, open the Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and ES key simultaneously. This combination is a handy shortcut to bring up your Task Manager without needing to navigate through extra menus. Once you have the Task Manager open, look for Windows Explorer in the list. You might need to scroll down a bit if you have many processes running. When you locate it, simply right-click on Windows Explorer. A context menu will appear, and from there, you should click on Restart. This action will refresh the Windows Explorer process, which is responsible for the graphical interface of Windows 11. Effectively fixing most taskbar glitches right away. Now, if that didn't solve the problem, or if you want to ensure a more thorough fix, re-registering the taskbar can be a beneficial next step. Begin by opening the Task Manager again with Ctrl, Shift, and ES key. Once inside, click on File in the top left corner and then choose Run New Task. You'll see a dialog box pop up, prompting you to enter a new task. Here, you need to type the word PowerShell. Make sure to tick the box that says Create this task with administrative privileges, as this grants the necessary permissions for the next steps. After you've done that, click OK. Once PowerShell has launched, it's time to run a specific command. Carefully enter the following command: get apps package, all users Microsoft Windows, shell experience, host, forich, washush add apps package, disable development mode, register, install location, appx manifest.xml. This command might look complex, but it essentially re-registers the taskbar components on your system, ensuring they function correctly. Once you've run this command, it's crucial to restart your system for the changes to take effect.